Let's take a look at how you can add files to the learning modules in the template shell. So here you can add your own assessment outlines or your own PowerPoints. So for example, we've got a learning module here for session PowerPoints. So a learning module has the 3 pages and has that table of content structure on the left, whereas you can see here are the 2 folders where you can just load up files. So making sure you're on the Build tab, click on Session PowerPoints. Now what we want to do is add some files, so click Add Files, and they're ones that we already have on our computer, so we're going to browse. Click on the My Computer icon. Now you need to navigate to wherever your PowerPoint files are. So they might be on the G drive, the H drive, or you might have them in a memory stick. So what WebCT does is pick up a copy of that file, places it in the file manager in WebCT, and links it into the learning module. So I'm going to go into my H drive and just pick up a couple of files. So I've got a PDF here. If I want to choose more than one file, if you hold the Control key and choose a file, you can choose up to 10. Then click Open. So now you can see it's added those files to my learning module. If I wanted to group them under headings, I can add a heading. And that way I can group different files under different headings. So I might have a heading for each unit or a heading for different sessions. Now you can see when we add things to the learning module, it always adds them to the bottom. So I want to move my heading to the top. So what I need to do is tick it to select what I want to move, and then I use these buttons. Whichever one of these buttons I press, it will move the item that I've ticked above it. So I want my heading at the top, so I'm going to press that button. You can see now that my heading is up the top. What I also want to do is indent some files so that they become under the heading. So I just choose them, click Indent. So you can see how you can group different files together. If I want to take them back out, I can just click them and press Outdent. The other thing that you may need to change is sometimes the file name of a file isn't very obvious, especially to a student. So if you want to change the names of any of these links, you can choose Edit Link Titles. Now this doesn't change the name of the actual file, just the link to that file. So you can see here I've changed the second one. So see, it's changed the name of the link, but it's still attached to that same file. Okay. If you need to delete anything, you can just tick it and click Remove. Again, it removes the link to the file, not the actual file. In your learning module, you may also want to add in a discussion or assignment or anything that's in these course tools. You can add by clicking on Add Content Link, and you can see there's a whole range of things. So if I wanted to add an assignment in there, I just scroll to choose which assignment and click Add Selected, and you can see the assignments come in, and again I can move that around to where it fits. So basically anything within WebCT you can link to in multiple places, so that assignment will be linked to in this learning module, but will also live wherever else it was linked.